Hi there and welcome to Today We Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple fabric box. You're going to need 2 fat quarters of corresponding fabric, each trimmed to 21 inches by 21 inches. You're also going to need some iron-on interfacing, big enough to cover both pieces of fabric, some scissors, and a sewing machine. Start off by placing one of your fat quarters face down, putting the fusible interfacing over the top and trimming to size. Make sure that you've got the shiny side facing the fabric. Iron all over on a hot non-steam setting. This will make your fabric much firmer and easier to work with. Turn over and trim off any excess interfacing. Fold in half and then half again. Make sure that the single fold is facing you and the double fold is on the left. Then, using a ruler and a piece of tailor's chalk, mark 6 inches from the top right hand corner and 6 inches down the right hand side. Measure 6 inches in and join up these points to create a square. Clip or pin to secure and carefully cut it out. Remove the clips and unfold. Take the bottom right 2 points and fold together to create a seam. Sew this, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I find it easier to measure this on my sewing machine and then using a piece of washi tape to mark it out. The interfacing makes the fabric quite firm, so I don't find pinning necessary, but I do find a clip useful. Once you've done this side, you can then do the other side. Repeat this process with the other 2 corner seams. And that's half your box done. Repeat this entire process with the lining fabric. Then turn the lining fabric inside out, so the correct side of the fabric is on the outside. Make sure you push out all the corners to make them nice and neat. Then place this inside the other box so that both correct sides of the fabric are facing each other. Pin or clip all the way around the edge to secure. Using the tailor's chalk, mark a 5-inch gap that we're going to leave unsewn. Run this entire top edge through your sewing machine, leaving a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Don't forget to leave the gap. Otherwise you won't be able to stick your hand in it to pull the whole thing inside out. Or right way round, whichever way you look at it. We're now going to top stitch this in order to close up the gap and make it nice and neat. Tie up the loose threads into a knot and trim off to secure. All that's left to do now is fold over the edge and decide where you're going to put it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do remember to hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing but massively helps out the channel. If there's anything else that you'd like us to show you how to make, then stick it in the comments below.